Welcome to the True North Concepts Modular Holster Adapter install. This adapter works with a wide range of holsters which utilize the Safariland pattern of 3-hole mounting. Please reuse the factory hardware included with your holster and use the hardware included in this kit if needed. The following bags include hardware for different applications. The red bag. Belt attachment bars and spacers. Use this hardware to mount the adapter to MOLLE or duty style belts. The green bag. QLS plate hardware. Use this hardware if you are missing hardware from your QLS plate or as needed. The blue bag. Direct to holster hardware. Use this hardware if no adapters are being used and the holster is being mounted directly to the MHA. Try different spacer combinations to achieve desired standoff from the MHA or to achieve an outwards cant of the holster. For the purpose of this video, we will be showing how to install a holster directly to the MHA as well as how to mount it to the belt. For further in-depth videos on specific adapters to the universal mount, please select from the video array at the end of this introductory video. To mount the MHA to your belt, use the hardware from the red bag. It is recommended to use the backers and MHA under and over the belt. In this video, we are starting by mounting the bottom arms first. The MHA is modular and allows multiple height and cant positions. Position and mount your holster onto the adapter and belt, and find the position that works properly for you. For this demonstration, we are securing the rubber spacers first, then using a pair of polymer spacers to offset the retention controls. Once your holster is mounted to the MHA, finalize installation by securing the MHA to the belt. Confirm positioning and ensure to apply medium thread locker. For more information, customer concerns, government purchasing, and dealer inquiries, please email info@truenorth-usa.com. Thank you for choosing True North Concepts.